Professor Dr. Zahid Mahmood is the most skilled and reliable general and laparoscopic surgeon in Lahore. He practices at Hamid Latif Hospital in Garden Town and is an expert in treating a wide range of medical conditions. Whether you're suffering from piles, fissure, fistula, pilonidal sinus, thyroid and parathyroid diseases, hernia, gallstones, breast cancer, varicose veins surgery, appendix, submandibular and parotid gland surgery, ingrown toenail, lipoma, sebaceous cyst, circumcision or abdominal cancers of the esophagus, stomach, and pancreas, you can trust Professor Mahmood to provide the best possible treatment. Don't wait, visit Hamid Latif Hospital Garden Town today. Or call 0300 413 0159 to make an appointment with Professor Zahid Mahmood.